Hey, this is Ben Alexander. Today is Monday, October 20th. We're here at Yuli's house. Claim number is 1176R as in Romeo, 491Q as in Quebec, 4029 Two Bridge Drive, Beaufort, Georgia. We're here to perform a repair on Miss Lee's roof. She's got a lot of wind damage up here. We're going to repair this one in question. The roof does seem pretty brittle, which is why we're videoing this. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing this. There was a tarp here previously, so I'll pop out this cap nail. Maybe. There we go. That shingle's already torn and damaged, but that's out. And this shingle is this tab, this tab, this tab. So it does go underneath the hip. So I'll need to unseal these and pop these out as well. More up. And you can actually, I don't, will you get a close-up on this? Because I'm starting to already see some striations starting to form on this, and the granules coming off. All right. Pop these nails out. Yeah, you can already see. I haven't even done anything to it yet. There's the damaged shingle that's popped out. And yeah, you can already see these striations in just removing the shingle. If I tap lightly, you can see that crease that's starting to form there. Same with here. And just to show you on a shingle up here that I haven't manipulated, that tapping isn't causing a crease, nor is swiping it causing a crease or any striations to form. So this already shows me that this roof isn't repairable. This is causing further damage to the surrounding shingles, and now I'm going to have to repair these as well. And if that's happening here, it's going to be a domino effect. It's going to keep moving its way up. Not to mention, this shingle ties into this hip right here. And per manufacturer specifications as well as Georgia Building Code, I believe, we're going to need to wrap the underlayment, which you can see right here.
Pull the whole thing off.
Yep. As you can see right here, this underlayment wraps over this hip. So I'll need to take up this hip as well as a couple of these shingles in order to install new underlayment across.
And this whole slope is already being replaced. So when we're doing these repairs, it's gonna have the same effect on the other side. So we're gonna have to overlap the felt, causing damage that's going to be similar seen here and similar to the reason why you replaced the front and the back slope, which is because of the lack of repairability. You'd probably best just to go ahead and replace the roof for the insured, but we're just going to go ahead and complete the repair.
Yep. Let me get this. We'll use the roof snake too. Make sure that's lined up. Yep. Something I hate about the roof snake is it doesn't drive the nail in all the way. And so you then need to either come in and lift the shingle higher, or you need to take your roof snake and set it on top of it. But when you do that, that's not even wanting to drive in. But when you do that, you get metal on shingle contact, which causes further damage to the newly installed shingle. Even with 2 solid hits, it doesn't drive it in all the way. Now it is. Alright, we'll just pop in new hip shingles real quick. bada boom, bada bing. So that's popped back in. Obviously, we have new damage. Get out of the shade. There. And just doing this one repair alone. So in my professional opinion, I don't believe this roof is repairable without causing further damage.
You got mat transfer as well. See all that. We got mat transfer from the other shingle.